my soul, there's also a thought of sexuality, but more spiritually, with a lot of loving sensitivity, being confident and secure emotionally, having passion for loving sexuality, but considering the soul, mind, and body of a spiritual lady. But with her heart, my advice is to be gently, for it is maturity, and you must eliminate insecurity. Be honest. It's the best. From east to west, love is better. But sex without true love, never. Worldwide love, ladies. See you in heaven and be more sensitive and more understanding to the reality of love, even in your sexuality. Don't be so afraid emotionally. And don't harden your heart when somebody a little more, or show a little more sensitivity. God bless you in the name of Jesus. Ain't nothing changed.